Creating daily routines. Unlock your productivity. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase for your English learning journey, to make up a routine. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you better organize your daily life. Let's get started and find out why creating routines can be a game changer. To make up a routine means to create a series of actions or activities that you perform regularly, often daily. The word make up here means to compose or construct, while a routine refers to a regular way of doing things. Together, this phrase encourages establishing consistent habits for efficiency, productivity, or personal improvement. Creating a routine can transform your day-to-day life in several ways. It helps in managing time effectively, reducing procrastination, and enhancing focus. A well-structured routine can lead to improved mental health, as it provides a sense of stability and control over your life. Whether it's for study, work, fitness, or relaxation, a routine ensures you're dedicating time to your priorities. 1. Identify your goals. Understand what you want to achieve with your routine. Is it learning a new skill, improving health, or becoming more productive at work? 2. List your activities. Write down the tasks or activities that will help you reach your goals. Be specific. 3. Prioritize. Decide which activities are most important and need to be done first. 4. Schedule your activities. Allocate specific times for each task. Consider your most productive hours. 5. Be flexible. Your routine should be realistic and adaptable to changes. Life is unpredictable, so it's okay to adjust your routine as needed. Start small. Begin with easy-to-manage tasks to build your confidence. Track your progress. Use a journal or an app to monitor your activities and progress. Reward yourself. Celebrate small victories to stay motivated. Stay consistent. Consistency is key. The more you stick to your routine, the easier it becomes a part of your life. We hope this video helps you understand how to make up a routine and the incredible benefits it can bring to your life. Remember, a good routine is about finding what works best for you and adapting it to meet your needs and goals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English language tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.